The Triaxe Cruze offers everything you've been looking for in a mobility scooter and more. It combines the convenience and portability of a folding travel scooter with the comfort and performance of a full-size scooter. Why settle when you can have it all? Transporting your scooter has never been easier. The Triaxe Cruze folds flat in seconds and will easily fit in the back of most vehicles with no disassembly required. The Triaxe Cruze will travel everywhere with you. Take it to the mall, the park, the store, on vacation, or to the ball game. It can be used indoors or out. Once folded, the Triaxe Cruze is simple to store and only takes up to 20 inches of space. The Cruze offers a smooth, comfortable ride with front springs to absorb the bumps and a roomy 18-inch seat with a high back to cushion and support along the way. The large floor deck leaves ample room to stretch your legs. Included is a removable deluxe basket to hold all your personal belongings. The controls are simple to use and all within easy reach. The paddle acceleration with the speed control dial puts the power in your hands. Dial it up in wide open spaces or down when in a crowded area. A bright LED headlight, battery indicator, and horn are added for enhanced safety. The 180-watt rear transaxle motor with electromagnetic braking and freewheel mode is powered by a 24-volt, 12-amp lithium battery pack. The Triaxe Cruze can take you up to 18 miles on a single charge. This battery meets all FAA guidelines for airline travel. The Triaxe Cruze is constructed of a durable aircraft-grade aluminum to give this lightweight, corrosion-resistant scooter a high tensile strength with a weight capacity of 350 pounds. The solid rubber tires are engineered to provide years of worry-free operation. Why settle when you can have it all? This hybrid scooter offers the portability and convenience of a travel scooter with the comfort and performance of a full-size one. The Triaxe Cruze promises to take you far. Contact your local Triaxe dealer today.
Enhance mobility, enhance your life.